Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage projects with combined object types in Web Object Management Workbench application. Starting with Tools Release 927, you can use the Web OMW application to combine all object types in one project, and any object type can be imported and exported. This enhancement reduces overhead for project transfer. Prior to Tools Release 927, managing the user-defined objects project and the non-user-defined object project required two separate utilities. That is, Development Client for the non-user-defined objects and Web OMW for the user-defined object project. First, let us start with the process to transfer a project with combined object types. Navigate to the Object Management Workbench web from the fast path. For the purpose of this tutorial, consider that an OMW project is already created which contains both user-defined objects and non-user-defined objects. Notice the project has a mixture of objects including 3 user-defined objects, 2 data structure objects, and 2 workflow objects. Also, consider that all the development work on this project is complete and the user needs to advance the project with combined objects to production. To do so, select the project in the project grid, click the Change Project Status, enter the new project status, and save your changes. Next, we will look at the process to export the project with combined object types. Select the project in the project grid, click Export. Notice the status bar indicates the progress of the project export. Once the project file and all of its objects are exported, a new PAR file is downloaded in the Downloads location. Click Close to exit. Note that when you export a project that contains only user-defined objects, the project export contains user-defined objects from personal or shared location. When you export a project that contains both user-defined and non-user-defined objects, all objects are exported from the shared location and not from the personal location. You can import the projects with combined object types using import functionality in Web OMW. To demonstrate the import process, a different user account is used in this tutorial. Log in and navigate to the Object Management Workbench web. Now, select Import from the Form exit. Click Choose File to browse for the project PAR file that we exported while performing the export function. Click Load to import. The project import is complete. To learn more, visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.